So there are a few defining things about myself. I like tie-dye. My thumbs are 2 different sizes. But most importantly, by the age of 20, I had never been on an airplane. Why? Many of you view this.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar.
But I see this. Then the opportunity comes around, the opportunity of a lifetime. Live in Hawaii with 3 of my best friends. It was time. It was time for me to ride an airplane. Was I scared? Sure.
Wait for it to focus. Oh, there we go. We're moving. We're rolling.
I was calm.
And now the takeoff. We're going really fast.
My friends, they were really supportive.
It's supposed to happen. This is weird. Something's going on.
There were even strangers on the airplane willing to help me out.
That's the wheels.
Turns out, airplanes aren't that scary.
Oh my gosh. And we are airborne.
Would I call myself a survivor? Definitely. I survived.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes